This video walks you through how to set up a smart file in HoneyBook. Begin by opening the project where you want the smart file to live. This keeps the file tied to the right client workflow from the start, so make sure you are inside the correct project before moving on. Once you are in the project, click Create File. HoneyBook will show you the available file types. From there, choose the smart file type you want to create. This is the point where you decide what kind of file you are building for that project. After that, choose how you want to start. You can select Use a template if you want to begin with a pre-built structure, start from a recent file if you want to reuse something you created before, or start from blank if you want to build the smart file from the ground up. Pick the option that matches the file you need to send. Next, choose the pages you want to include in the smart file. HoneyBook will present the available pages based on the starting option you selected. Review those choices and select the pages that belong in this file. This is where the overall structure begins to take shape. When your page selection is ready, click Add Pages. That creates the smart file and places those pages into the editor so you can begin adjusting the content. At this stage, you are no longer choosing the framework, you are now working inside the file itself. Go through each page and customize the content, layout, branding, and settings. Update the text and any page details that need to match the project. Adjust the layout where needed so each page is arranged the way you want. Apply the branding elements that belong in the file and check the available settings for each page so the final version behaves the way you intend. If you need to change the structure while editing, use the page panel on the right. From there, you can add more pages or remove pages that are no longer needed. This is useful if you realize a page is missing or if one of the selected pages does not belong in the final version. Keep the page panel in mind as you review the file, since it is the main place for managing the page list. Once the content and page order look right, click Preview. This opens a review version of the smart file so you can check how everything appears before it goes out to the client. Look over each page carefully and confirm that the layout, branding, and content are all in place. When you are ready to send it, click Share. This sends the smart file to your client from the project using the version you just reviewed. Your smart file is now set up in HoneyBook and shared with your client.